chapter number 5, lines and angles. Today we will understand construction of angles. Okay, in previous video we understood measuring angles. Okay, how to measure angle. Today we will understand construction of angle, and we will construct today angle AOB is equal to 80 degree. Okay students, so let's start. So with the help of these steps we will construct today angle. Okay, to construct an angle, what we use? We use protractor. Okay, in your compass box protractor is given. Okay, with the help of protractor we will construct an angle. Okay, 80 degree. So here my protractor is here. So with the help of this protractor I will construct angle AOB 80 degree. Okay, so here students, what the first step is given? Here draw a ray OA. So to draw a ray OA, in the baseline we will see the middle or center point. Okay, we understood in previous video. This is the baseline and this is the center. Okay, so center point we will draw one ray OA. So from the center point, here we will put one point here, and here 0 is there. I will put one point here. I will draw a line. Okay, I draw a line. Here I will write O and A. This is our ray OA. Okay students, now place the protractor along OS such that the baseline lies along OA and the center coincides with O of ray OA. Okay, so now on the protractor read 80 degree. हमने बिल्कुल यहाँ पर सेंटर पॉइंट में रे OA ड्रॉ कर ली है. Now I will read the 80 degree. Okay, so here once again हमें याद रखना है कि हमें इनर और आउटर स्केल का यूज कब करना है. Okay, where your ray extend, in which direction we have to use the inner or outer scale. So here I can see that my 80 degree is here. Okay, so on the protractor read 80 degree. So here it is 80 degree. Okay, in the outer scale and mark that point as P. So here I will mark one point. Okay, and I will give the name P. Okay, now remove the protractor. हम protractor को remove कर देंगे. Okay, now I will draw a line or I will OP up to this point P. Now as you know our ray extend. Okay, तो हम थोड़ा सा और हमारे ray को बढ़ा देंगे. Okay, now we will give the name B. Here we will give the name B. Okay, now here we construct an angle AOB 80 degree. Okay, this is our 80 degree. Okay, now here